Welcome, everyone. Today we're delving into the intriguing story of Japan's geographical challenges and how the nation has triumphed despite facing some of the most formidable natural obstacles. Japan, a nation of resilience, has not just weathered the storm, it has become the world's third largest economy. Stick around as we uncover the remarkable journey through volcanoes, natural disasters, energy struggles, infrastructure innovations, and geopolitical tensions. Let's kick things off by taking a look at this map showcasing Japan's 60 active volcanoes. Yes, you heard it right, 60. Many of these volcanic powerhouses are chillingly close to major population centers. Take Mount Fuji, for example, standing just 100 kilometers from the bustling metropolis of Tokyo. But it's not just about proximity, it's about the real threats these volcanoes pose. Cast your mind back to 2011 when a devastating earthquake and tsunami wreaked havoc, causing a catastrophic failure at the Fukushima nuclear power plant. The repercussions of that event are still being felt today. Now let's shift gears and talk energy. Japan, nestled in a corner of the world with limited natural resources, has had to import the majority of its energy needs. This dependence, coupled with the 2011 Fukushima disaster, dealt a heavy blow to their energy self-sufficiency. In 2011, nuclear power accounted for 30% of Japan's electricity mix. However, the aftermath of Fukushima prompted a shift, and Japan is now on a mission to increase nuclear power generation to at least 20% by 2030. A challenging goal, considering the inherent risks. Now let's navigate through Japan's geographical landscape, a puzzle of 4 main islands and steep mountainous terrain covering nearly 70% of the country. This rugged topography limits available land for agriculture, forcing Japan to import a substantial portion of its food. It's a unique challenge, yet Japan managed to defy the odds and emerge as the world's third largest economy. This economic prowess comes despite the limitations imposed by their geographic constraints. Switching gears to housing, Japan's architectural landscape tells a compelling story. Homes here are not sprawling mansions, but rather compact dwellings, averaging around 93 square meters. What's intriguing is the depreciation of these homes over time, a consequence of stringent safety standards continually being reinforced, especially after natural disasters. Tokyo, the bustling capital, has tackled another hurdle ingeniously with a flood control system. Built in 2006, this system has significantly reduced house flooding by 90%, showcasing Japan's knack for infrastructure innovation. Now let's fast-track to Japan's remarkable transportation infrastructure. Picture this, traversing steep mountainous terrain that once took 15 days to cover 500 kilometers, now only takes 2.5 hours, thanks to Japan's high-speed rail system inaugurated in 1964. The extensive network, spanning nearly 2,800 kilometers, tunnels through mountains, making it a technological marvel. More impressively, it's not just about speed, it's about resilience. Equipped with earthquake-ready features, these trains demonstrate Japan's commitment to overcoming the challenges Mother Nature throws at them. As we delve into Japan's security concerns, it's crucial to understand the complex geopolitical dynamics at play. North Korea's 2017 missile incident, where a projectile flew directly over northern Japan, served as a wake-up call. The incident not only heightened Japan's security concerns, but also underscored the vulnerability of the region to external threats. Turning our attention to China, Japan finds itself entangled in territorial disputes, particularly over small uninhabited islands. This dispute reached a boiling point in 2010 when China strategically blocked exports of rare earth materials, of which it mines 90%, severely impacting Japan's electronics and hybrid car industries. This geopolitical maneuver showcased the depth to which regional tensions can influence Japan's economic stability. The 2017 North Korean missile incident resulted in a 20% increase in Japan's defense budget. The rare earth materials dispute led to a 30% decline in Japan's electronics production. Japan's demographic landscape is undergoing a profound transformation. From a peak of 128 million in 2010, the population has already dropped to 125 million in 2020. The consequences are tangible, with approximately 13.6% of dwellings sitting vacant. Rural villages and towns, unable to sustain their populations, face the grim prospect of disappearing entirely by 2040. Economically, Japan's dependence on China, its largest trading partner, poses challenges. In the 2010s, Japan's exports to China accounted for nearly 20% of its total exports. The decline in Japan's population and the subsequent increase in vacant properties are indicative of a shifting landscape that demands innovative solutions for future sustainability. Japan's demographic decline is accompanied by a 15% increase in vacant dwellings. The economic impact of rural areas disappearing could lead to a 5% decrease in GDP. Japan's journey through geographical challenges is a testament to resilience and adaptability. The intricate dance between natural disasters, geopolitical tensions, and demographic shifts has sculpted a nation that, against all odds, stands as a global economic powerhouse. Japan's story is not just about overcoming adversity, it's about thriving in the face of it. Closing, thank you for embarking on this exploration of Japan's geographical intricacies. If this journey has piqued your interest, make sure to subscribe, like, and share your insights in the comments. Your engagement is what fuels this community. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations and feel free to suggest topics for future videos. Until our next exploration, take care.